Are you sick and tired of spending a lot of money to have other people create a mobile application for your business? Do you not have a mobile app that you can use to promote your campaigns and convert your clients into returning customers? If I could tell you, there is a more effective method. That is where Zapable Agency shows up, because it is a breakthrough solution that is about to change the game. Before I get deep into the review, I have a very important message for you. Please be aware of fraudulent websites out there that are trying to provide the same result but fail to deliver. That is why I have placed a link to the official website in the video description and also pinned it in the top comment, so make sure you get the real deal. So what exactly is Zapable Agency? Zapable Agency is designed by Andrew Fox. It is an easy-to-use tool for creating mobile applications designed for individual and business companies without any technical experience. Its easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface lets customers design personalized mobile apps for iOS and Android smartphones. So what are some of the features and benefits you will get from Zapable? You can use Zap Digital to sell digital goods in-app, such as ebooks, audio, PDFs, and step-by-step tutorials. Real estate list building. You create fantastic directories that detail every accessible property and feature, along with the ability to schedule an appointment. The toolkit is excellent and includes pre-made videos, landing pages, email swipes, reels, sketch videos, and templates for app proposals. You can design mobile apps instantly. Use a straight web.app URL to access apps. No more spending 30% on in-app purchases from Apple, and that is not all. Get 1,000 free visitors. The app now allows you to sell one-time, yearly, monthly, and free trial subscriptions. Keep stuff hidden behind a password-protected section. This truly changes the game. Information. If you want to know more information about this product, you can head over to the official website, which I have placed the link in the video description and also pinned in the top comment. So who is it for? It is designed for people who want to capitalize on the growing popularity of mobile applications and enhance their company's image. And not only that, its amazing opportunities will also significantly increase your chances of success. In conclusion, Zapable is a groundbreaking app builder that has simplified the process of developing and maintaining mobile applications. With its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, strong integration features, effective app production, and capacity to assist you in realizing your vision, your approach to app development and marketing has changed as a result of this platform, which has made it easier and more accessible than previously. Besides, if you buy the product from the link in the video description box, I will provide you with a free bonus. To get the bonus, you can message me in my Instagram ID, and I will send it to you. If you find my review helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good day.